Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable auto power off option in your Samsung TV. So at first go to your home screen. You have to just press this home button from your remote. Now from here go to left and then scroll down, and here you can see settings option. Then just go to settings. After that go to all settings option. Now from here scroll down and then go to general and privacy. From here scroll down again and then go to system manager, and here you can see time option. Then just go to time and then scroll down, and here at the last you can see off timer option. Then just select it and then open the settings, and here you can see setup option. Then just select it and then press OK from your remote. Now here you can see so many options of once every day, Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday, Saturday to Sunday, and manual, and you can choose any option as you want. Suppose if I select once and then select your time from here, you can choose any time as you want. You have to just select the time and then press OK and then close the window, and it's done. You can see auto timer option has been enabled successfully, and that is how you can enable auto power off option in your Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.